Thank you for being here. Let's learn, smile, and grow together at Smile and Learn ABC.
Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Let's have fun learning together. This is the letter G. Say it with me. G.
This is the letter G. G is for goat. This is the letter G. G is for grapes. This is the letter G. G is for giraffe.
Hi, let's learn together.
This is the letter G. G is for gift.
This is the letter G. G is for guitar. This is the letter G. G is for glasses. This is the letter G. G is for gorilla.
Gah, gorilla. Gah, gorilla.